Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a FC24 unrecoverable error message that you get. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to run or just write Windows Sanaki, or just press on Windows Sanaki, and then you just need to write msinfo32. And then you need to make sure that your secure boot state is on. If it's not on, you just need to basically load up your BIOS, and then you need to enable secure boot. So for all computers there's different options. If you want to enable BIOS, usually for me is F1 or delete button, but you just need to open up a browser, and then you need to or just try all the shortcuts that enables your secure boot. So I'm not going to show that because it's for all of us it's different, but nevertheless you just need to Google that out, how you can enable secure boot state. And then once you do that, then you need to make sure look if your game is running or not. And still, if you're getting the message here, then you need to basically verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. If you got FC24 on EA app, you just need to go to EA Sports, manage, and then press repair. It will take you a couple of minutes and just basically verify integrity of the game files. And if you got the game on Epic Games, you need to go to library, right click on the game here, manage, and then verify files. And if you got the game on Steam, super similar, you need to go to library, right click on the game, properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. And after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the third method that I suggest you to do here is to disable overlay apps like Discord, Steam, GeForce Experience, or other. Don't use when you play the game, or simply just disable overlay. So for example, on Steam, if you want to disable overlay, you just need to go to game properties, and then here it will be the Steam overlay in game, and then you can disable them here. And once you disable overlays and it still doesn't help, then you need to basically disable Xbox game bar, because sometimes it can cause the problem here. So what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to gaming, then you should see Xbox game bar here and turn that off. And also make sure that your captures also is off. Here, record what happened is off, and also game mode is on, right? And if this doesn't help, then another thing that you can do here, simply you need to reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. And to do so, you need to basically go to your disk where your game is installed. For me is disk C, program files, and then here you should see a EA basically folder here. So you need to go to EA, then EC, then you should see Easy Anti-Cheat Installer. Press on that, then you will see this window here. Then you need to select FC24 and then just uninstall. And after you do so, then select FC24 again and install. Then you need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. So if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here is to allow FC24 through Windows Defender Firewall. And to do so, what you need to do here, you need to open up Windows Defender Firewall here. Then you need to allow an upper feature. Then you need to change settings, and then you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press F. And then if you see here FC, you're good to go. Make sure it's on private and public. And if you don't, then you need to allow another app. Then you should see this window here. Then you need to press browse. Then you need to go to program files, and then first add a Easy Anti-Cheat. And then you need to go allow another app, and then you need to add here EA Games FC24, then you need to add this exe file here, and then press OK. Make sure it's private and public, press OK, and then you just need to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.